Slim SEO versus Rank Math, which is better for WordPress? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a comparison right here between Slim SEO and Rank Math. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to either subscribe right here to Slim SEO or Rank Math. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the comparison. So according to Link Whisper over here, the conclusion between the two is that Rank Math and Slim SEO are popular choices when optimizing your website for search engine rankings. They offer different approaches to handling metadata, algorithms, and robot meta, which can significantly impact how search engines rank your site. Rank Math is known for its comprehensive feature set and ease of use, allowing users to implement a wider range of best practices for SEO. It provides a rich set of tools that cater to beginners and advanced users, ensuring they can achieve high search engine rankings without missing out on critical optimizations. With a focus on automating various aspects of SEO, Rank Math offers great ease of use and flexibility. On the other hand, Slim SEO is designed to be a lightweight alternative to the more feature-rich Rank Math. It offers a more streamlined approach, making it ideal for those who prefer simplicity or are on a tight budget. Slim SEO also prides itself on providing fast and efficient optimization solutions, which can be particularly valuable for small businesses and individual site owners looking for an effective way to improve their online visibility without the added weight of extensive features. Ultimately, the winner between Rank Math and Slim SEO will depend on your specific needs and priorities. So at the end of the day, it comes down to your needs and priorities. So if you are seeking or looking for a comprehensive optimization tool that caters to a wide range of users, Rank Math might be the ideal choice. However, if you're focused on simplicity and speed of implementation, Slim SEO could be the perfect option for you. So yeah, at the end of the day, it all comes down to what are the needs and priorities for your website. So yeah, so both have good features, but both of the features between Rank Math and SEO quite differ for one another, since Rank Math focuses on another thing and Slim SEO focuses on another thing. So again, at the end of the day, it all comes down on what you need. So yeah, so feel free to choose on which one will suit you best for the needs of your website. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the comparison between Metabox and between Slim SEO and Rank Math. So yeah, again, there will be special links in the description below and where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to subscribe to either Slim SEO right here or Rank Math. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.